latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
LG Polymers management's laxity, staff's poor knowledge and weak safety protocols were the primary causes of the Vizag gas mishap as per a probe committee. Styrene leak from the LG Polymers India plant near Gopalapatnam in Visakhapatnam outskirts had killed 12 people. The styrene leak also had as many as 585 locals hospitalized on May 7th. The probe committee, chaired by Neerab Kumar Prasad, Andhra Pradesh's Special Chief Secretary of Environment and Forests, on Monday submitted a voluminous report of 4,000 pages. A report on the disastrous incident has been submitted to Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. According to the report, a change made in M6 styrene tanks piping in December 2019 totally disrupted the circulation and mixing system. On 24th April, the tank gave initial signs of polymerization, which if the company took as a warning signal, I think corrective actions could have been taken. The probe blamed total breakdown of emergency response procedures for the loss of lives. Even after the accident, the company totally failed to activate its emergency sirens. None of the 36 siren points went off. It was a major lapse as it gave no warning to people living in the vicinity. The gas leak took place at about 3 a.m. when people of the 5 surrounding villages were in deep sleep. The accident was also attributed to poor design of the styrene tank, inadequate cooling, refrigeration systems, absence of circulation and mixing systems. Blame was also laid on inadequate risk assessment and response by the plant's safety management team. The safety protocols during the lockdown period were exactly similar to the time when the plant was in operation. No special steps were taken, Prasad noted. Our committee has concluded that the Vizag leak is an uncontrolled styrene vapor release from the M6 tank at LG Polymers, which qualifies as a major accident under the manufacture, storage and import of hazardous chemical rules. In-depth root cause analysis shows that temperature in tank M6 rose substantially and this caused styrene liquid to vaporize. With increase in pressure in the tank with small vents, vapors released uncontrollably. The committee also blamed the staff's insufficient knowledge of styrene chemical properties, especially during storage under idle conditions, for the mishap. The committee said that if the company had sufficient stocks of TDM, NDM and other reaction terminating agents, it could have prevented the runaway reaction. The panel has recommended that factory safety boards follow all safety rules and laws to ensure utmost safety in their industrial units.